Hey guys, went out to the range today, shot the Marlin 1894 a little bit, and I was trying out some new ammo. I got some of this Underwood ammo. It's loaded pretty hot. It's a 125 grain jacketed hollow point and rated at 1600 feet per second through a pistol. So I decided I'd try run a few across the Chrony with the Marlin, just to see what they would do. Check out that. Let's get a spear gold dot bullet. Nice hollow point. And it looks like they're using Starline brass. So it's some pretty good stuff. Right after this I'm going to have a clip of shooting a few rounds across the Chrony. I also did Chrony test on some of this Fiocchi. This I bought quite a long time ago. You can see it was $25. It's another 125 grain. Kind of a soft lead hollow point. So I'll splice in those clips. Shooting these 2 rounds across the Chrony, you can see how they did.
Alright, wrap it up already, are you? Almost
That's
twins.
my $149 gun. 400 and some dollars. He's even got a sock on and stuff.
That's what's called a gun sock. That's an authentic gun sock. It's not a reproduction.
Isn't that for when you come down here in the cold, you put it on your nose?
Run this shit up.
That's like I can't shoot my 17 after game was either. Well, 4,000 feet right through the place.
Yeah.
Well, you didn't hit it yet.
I haven't shot any yet. Well, I was trying to figure out where we decided to go.
See this camera here.
I
Watch
see.
this thing here jumps when he shoots.
Yeah. Oh,